Using Mint with cash transactions is an effective way to track your expenses and stay on top of your finances. To start using Mint with cash transactions, first create a Mint account and link your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions. Next, go to the Mint website or open the Mint app and navigate to the Transactions page. On the Transactions page, you will see a list of all your transactions, including those made with cash. To add a cash transaction, click on the Add Transaction button and select cash as the payment method. Enter the date, amount, and description of the transaction, and assign it to a category such as food, transportation, or entertainment. Mint also allows you to split transactions, which is useful when you make a purchase that includes multiple items. For example, if you buy groceries and pay with cash, you can split the transaction into separate categories such as food, household items, and personal care. To get the most out of Mint, it is essential to categorize your transactions accurately. Mint provides predefined categories, but you can also create custom categories that fit your specific needs. Additionally, Mint allows you to set budgets for each category, which helps you stay within your means and avoid overspending. Another key feature of Mint is its ability to track your cash flow. By linking your bank accounts and credit cards, Mint can provide a comprehensive picture of your income and expenses. This information can be used to identify areas where you can cut back and make adjustments to improve your financial situation. Best practices for using Mint with cash transactions include regularly reviewing your transactions to ensure accuracy, categorizing transactions as soon as possible, and setting realistic budgets. By following these steps and using Mint effectively, you can gain a better understanding of your financial situation and make informed decisions to improve your financial health.